In this short video, I will show you how to add media to the ZL Media Gallery. Log in with your user account. From almost any page, click on the Media button in the navigation bar. On this page, click Add Media. Now we must decide if the picture or video that you would like to upload goes into a default site category, the first one being anything ZL Eliminator related, the second one being any other types of bikes, the last one being anything else that is not bike related. If you use those categories, they will be viewable by everybody on the website. However, if you would like to create a personal album, click this radio button, and from the drop-down menu, you may choose a pre-existing album that you already have made, or you can create a new one. In this case, let's create a new one because this user doesn't have any albums yet. Let's give the album a name. And a short description. Now we must decide who can see this album. By default, everybody will be able to see it. If you would like to create a private album, this is where you can change the permission by selecting Owner Only. If you would like people that follow you to be able to see it, you can select that option, or you can select Members Only so that only people that are logged in and members of ZLOA can see your album. We will leave this one at default. Then we must decide who can add media to your album. By default, it is set to you, the owner only. To allow other people to add media to your album, you can select other options from the drop-down menu. When you are done, click Create Album. The album is now created, and you can see in the drop-down menu that is selected, and it says currently there are 0 images in that album. Let's go ahead and see how we can add a couple pictures. You must now decide if you would like to upload a picture from a file on your local computer, which would be the default button here, or if you would like to upload a picture from a URL somewhere else on the internet. Images are limited to 1024 × 768 resolution. If you are uploading a photo that is larger, it will automatically be resized. Click Upload Image to begin. You may select multiple images when your File Explorer opens up. To select multiple images, click the first one you would like, and then you can hold down the Control key and you can click Multiples. Press Open when you are done and the files will start to upload. Add a small description. When you are satisfied, simply click Save Media. As you can see, we are inside the ZL900's album, and our 3 photos have been added. If you would like to see the rest of your albums, we can do that by selecting your content from the navigation bar. And to see all the media you have ever uploaded, click Your Media. If you would like to see other albums you have created, click Your Albums. Scroll down and you will see the album that we've just created. You can see that there are 3 items inside the album, the day it was created, and that it is visible to the general public. Hover over the album if you would like to get a quick view of pictures that are inside it. Let's go ahead and click on the album and add one more photo. In this example, we'll add one from a URL. Click Add Media. Select the album that you would like to add to from the drop-down menu. Click the radio button for URL, and it would like to know where to upload the photo from. In this case, we will go to Google and just search for a random image. I am now selecting the image's URL from the title bar in my browser, and I will right-click and hit Copy. Back here, I will now right-click and paste the URL into the browser. When I'm done, I hit plus to add the photo. You can see that almost instantly the photo is added, and I can now add a description. Hit save when you are satisfied. You can now see that the photo we found on Google has been added to the album that we created earlier. If we go back to the Content tab for Your Albums, and we hover over this again, notice it says 4, and if we hover over this, it will now show the added photo in the preview. This concludes this video.